Today I'm recording a video to show you very quickly how you can also add your bank account details. So as you can see, this is the diaper I'll be using. This is for someone on the team, and I'm just going to try to do this and show you exactly how to do it, right? So the very first step is logging in, just like you can see I'm in my dashboard now. So after you log in, you click on this hamburger and you can see we have account details here. After you click it, the drop down menu will appear. Once it appears, what you do is you click on personal details. Can you see it? Personal details, the third option. Okay, so once you click on personal details, you will see the screen appearing like this. It's a verification process that is about to start. However, let me explain this, because I've struggled with this particular point, but I didn't really know until I finally got to really get the tutor properly. So when you get here, if you're using your phone, as you can see right now, nothing is showing. You can only see contact us. But let me tell you what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to just turn your phone the other way, and can you see everything will now come out? Can you see? So if you come and if your account was registered with Nigeria, it automatically populates here as Nigeria. So all you need to do is click on continue, because you're about to start your verification process. Okay, so once you click on continue, it's going to load and it will take you to the next page. So the first one, as you can see, is to select your country, which I just did now, and then I click on continue. So you can see the second point now is contact details and access to shopping payment of product with balance, right? So this is your phone number. Basically what they're saying is just confirm your details. So click on continue once it's done, right? So it has confirmed the email, right? So you just click on this confirm email address, and then you type the code that was sent to the email address. Do you understand? And then you put it in here. Do you understand? So right now what I'm going to do is I'll click on okay, so I'm going to click on send confirmation. Can you see? So they just said code has been sent to your email. Okay, so once you confirm your email, the next step is to confirm your contact details, right? So all you have to do is to just fill in the details. We have the first name, last name, middle name. These ones are already filled. So you start with date of birth. Confirm is your exact date you're using. Then enter the type. For passport class, just type. If it's government ID, you put government ID. Like if it's international passport, you put international passport. If it's voters card, you say voters card. For license ID card, this is the ID card. Just look for it in the card. You will find it there. You write the state of issuing the documents. Now this is where you are going to put the image of whatever it is that you're uploading to them. Then if you have TIN number, you put it. Then finally you put your address, you put your country and your postal code. Once you are done filling this, you click on continue. Okay, so once you enter it, it will now take you to where. Okay, good. It means you have submitted your details. Okay, mind you, let's twin the phone again. Okay, so as you can see, this is the point where you stop, right? So it says now you can purchase your online, you can purchase online. When your data is verified, you'll be able to transfer. It will automatically show you once it's done, because when you come, you now see it showing verified. So the next step you do now is to come to your back office again, click on commissions, and then click on bank account details. Is the last option here, as you can see. Okay, so you can see there is this green cross. So what you're going to do here is you're going to click on this green cross. That is your business. It's going to load and it will give you some options. Permit me to tilt the phone back. Okay, so you can see we have two options, the EU bank account and then the APLGO pay. Now this is what you're going to do. All you do is you click on EU, then you have your Swift. Now Swift, pay attention, it's very interesting. Swift simply is a transfer code that allows people to be able to transfer directly to any bank, right? So every bank has its own. If you're using GT Bank, it has its own. If you're using Access Bank, it has its own. Okay, so once you come to Google, just type GTB Swift code Nigeria. You can see this is the code here. You can see the Swift code for GTB Bank is, see it here. So I'm just going to copy it. As you can see, I'm going to copy it. Then I'll just come back to our tab. I'll paste the Swift code right here, as you can see. Then this is where you end. Okay, so you paste the bank details here and you click on save Google and type the bank, for example, Access Bank Swift code Nigeria. I need to show you. So this is it. Once you've seen here, once you come here now, it's going to tell you card added successfully. So by the time you now come to bank account the next time, you can see it has already integrated. So it means every payment on Wednesdays will be coming directly to this bank detail, as you can see. So if you have any balance, it's automatic, it will just be processed and it will be sent. I hope you got value from this video. All right, so feel free to subscribe to the channel so that you can be getting more updates like this.